I'm back. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, I got this partition that I'm gonna put together.
I can help you, Bobby.
Okay, I don't need help though, baby. If I need help, I ask for it, okay? Partition for my room. But you can watch me though. So it should say, like, it's so many parts to this shit. But we gonna get her done. Oh God, we gonna get her done. Get her done. And this for my dungeon, you know. I give a fuck about this room, but it's for my dungeon. If I'm going, you know, we're doing spiritual work, and I've been working on getting my mind off my girl and this, that, and the third, and it got me in a place where I didn't move forward, and now I can start doing my spiritual work again. Well, I started like when I got back out of jail. Actually, my shit never ended. You know what I'm saying? It really never ended. But I really can focus on it now. This man and Shawty broke up. I already had one right here. So, okay, hold up. All these raindrops falling out my window. Got me wishing that we did the things we didn't do. And all I wanna do is sex you, baby. Have you had any good sex, baby? Baby. And now from Atlanta, and I'm raising like a pimp, raising like a pimp, raising like a pimp, and it's a lot of girls for me, and I could have all of them, I could have all of them, I only want one of them. All I wanna do is sex you, baby. I wanna know, have you had any good sex, baby? Oh yeah. This shit got unnecessary ass tape on it. And it's like you gotta either rip it or take the tape off. This whole like, these so extra with packaging. Like, they really had all that fucking tape on this shit. Like, fold it down like a hot dog. Like, get in the tape though. Hey. Blow your nose.
Oh, you're not gonna say that.
I know. Stop doing all that. Wait till you get down there. Let's see. I'm gonna figure this shit out. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, so A hammer? I don't have a fucking hammer, buddy. I do know what you're talking about, though. It's not those. It's these that I need. Okay. I'm not gonna take that test, bro. I ain't got the patience. So, I don't really put these in there. Okay. I put that in there on both sides. The little lugs. We're gonna see. This part one. This part one, this shit look like it's gonna take some time. You talking about I ain't finna go out tonight? Shit. Finna go to the pool lounge. I got to, ain't no reason not to. I just want to do something to have fun doing. I don't see the point of going to the club, looking at people's face that I don't give a fuck about. Like, but I'm gonna go to the pool lounge with my friend. BCD. I may go. If he wanna go, I'll go. But if he don't wanna go, then cool. I can't even put this shit together. I gotta have a hammer and shit. Hold on. Step back. I got the little things on there. You know what? I'm just gonna do all of those. How about that? Just gonna do all of them. Since I know that's the first step of this. Oh, this little situation might take days. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. My mama good at shit like this, not me. She done put up every piece of furniture in our house. I'm not gonna say I'm skilled in that area. What I gotta be is she is. My patience is like, oh my god. I know I could do it. Just actually making myself do the shit. It's the problem. It's the, I don't give a fuck enough. Back, close the door, baby. Gotta keep the cool air in here.
You don't like give me a little bit help.
No, you go ahead and sit down, baby.
You have a lot to do.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it all today. What's on mind? Sure been acting different lately, girl. What's on your mind? See, this is another thing, that part that's getting to me. Okay, I see that. What's on your mind?
It looks like you made.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Mama thinking. I don't want you to interrupt my thoughts. Tripping on all I've seen before. She think I'm lying every time that I speak. And she's still tripping about the shit from last week. I got it off on my phone. Sorry if I could. And you know what's crazy? I never went through her phone. Ever. I never cared. I'm the type of person I feel like love conquers all. Love gonna beat all that shit. You know what I'm saying? So, like, it was never no need. Because I didn't, you know, if there was something there, I didn't want to know about it. I'd rather just focus on how she treat me type shit. And, you know, seeing if that's gonna get good and get better. As long as that get better, I'd be good. I just sit back sometimes like now, I'm thinking of a time we was together and I'm wondering if she was cheating that whole time. But I honestly don't give a fuck. Cause I'm pretty sure she was. But I honestly don't give a fuck. Cause like, I'm telling myself now, cause even if we ever do get back together, I don't want to ever bring it up. Like, I don't want this person interfering in our relationship, like, in no type of way. Like, that's another thing, like, she don't realize. Like, I want you to get away from him and get him off of your energy. Then hit me up. That could be like a whole month. That could take a whole year to get somebody out your energy. Especially if you say you so in love with him. She ain't never tell me that, but, you know, I gotta speak about the truth, you know, because, yeah, you say you just fucking them and you just with them with the money or to get your churn back or whatever the fuck. But that's not true. I know better. You got feelings for the niggas. It don't matter. And I ain't mad at y'all. I'm more mad at you than I'm mad at him. I give a fuck about that boy. You know you are to me. You know you are to me. I slipped up and you demanded a change. Doing my best to not do you the same. Play cards, I'll play games. If you can't forgive me, then just say it. I told her that shit a long time ago, but if you can't forgive me, just say it. Like, just say it and leave me alone. Like, it shouldn't be that difficult. Like, if I'm coming to you like a grown-up, a woman, and saying, you know, it just don't matter no more. It's all about being selfish and what the fuck she wants. And what the fuck her vision is. Your vision is tainted, my dear. Because you've been going through hell ever since you left me. Then we quote unquote got back together. It's like you lied to me when I was in jail. Every time I was in jail, you lied to me. It's like I don't mean shit to you. You think a baby daddy means more to you than me. And that's pitiful. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's pitiful. That nigga never buy you a car. That nigga never put your name on it. But this the bitch I'm dealing with. I ain't do nothing but show her how weak I am for her. And I ain't do nothing but give her opportunities and opportunities and opportunities to take advantage. I mean, call her opportunities. Bro, how the fuck do you do this shit? I noticed the way you do it, but because it's supposed to go like this. It's supposed to go like this. Like this part supposed to be connected to this part, this bone. Then you got the other side, you do that side, then you connect the other bar at the bottom. So therefore it looks like this. I understand that. Just don't know how to put, like, I don't know how to do that part. Put the needle in the fucking thingamajigger. It's not going in. Hold up. Yeah, you gotta put it through the thingamajigger. Only thing it don't show you though is how you put the God damn it. Bro, I do not know how to do this shit. Like what am I supposed to twist this shit? The shit is not moving. Shit is not moving, bro. Man. I know I can do it. I just... We're gonna see what my mama says. Cause I'm telling y'all, she the one good at all this shit. Me, I ain't got the mind for it. Like, make sure I take everything I need. Pick up the phone and call me. Shit. Man, she wanted to get in touch with me. That girl could. She know I'm in the same spot every day. Most common side effects are headache, joint pain, tiredness, bleeding gums, bruising, petechia, nosebleed, runny nose, and upper respiratory tract infection. Before taking Doctel, tell your doctor about all your medical conditions and medicine. Respiratory tract infection.